Hi, I'm Bridget, chef and consultant for Kolossal Hospitality based in the Overberg. So catering trends for 2023 is all about sustainability and eco-conscious. Using a local caterer will not only reduce your carbon footprint, but will also save you on traveling costs. And in turn, a local caterer will use their suppliers, which in turn will support the community that you're hosting your wedding in. Plant-based is a hit and a taste adventure for your guests. Be sure to have many plant-based options. If you're serving a meat option, skip vegetarian and go straight for vegan. This way, you can tick all the boxes, especially if the dish is also gluten-free. Serving a variety of small plates late into the evening gives your guests choice and the taste delight. Be sure to use sustainable packaging or glass crockery. Another hit amongst guests is Grazing Tables, also known as the harvest table, which is not only for pre-drinks, Serving an array of grazing tables throughout your wedding can give your guests a lot to nibble on and a lot of choice and selection. This way, once again, you're catering for all those dietary requirements.